Hi and welcome to our Express Walk version. Today's walk was based on our local knowledge and is an excellent choice if you're looking for something inexpensive and easy to do. Sydney, as you know, is blessed with great weather and a beautiful harbour, but sometimes it isn't, of course, and the day starts with overcast skies and grey clouds. That's how today started, and so the walk we had planned to do was unsuitable. Before we wrote the whole day off, we decided to head to Circular Quay and just see if there was something we could film. Soon after we arrived, the sky was showing signs of clearing. We didn't have a lot of time now, so decided to jump a ferry to Kirribilli on the north side of the harbour. We thought it would be about the small village feel of Kirribilli and the architecture, but the sky cleared and we were right where the money shots of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House, Bridge, CBD are taken. So we did get some architecture, but we also got some amazing shots from the Harbour Walk from Kirribilli to Luna Park at Milson's Point. Kirribilli is located on Sydney's lower north shore, one of the city's most established and affluent neighbourhoods. Architecturally speaking, there are some very fine examples of Art Nouveau and Art Deco buildings. It is thought that the name Kirribilli is derived from an Aboriginal word, Kiarabilli, which means good fishing spot. The Sydney residence for the Australian Prime Minister, Admiralty House, is located here. It has a real village feel to it, and some very nice areas. But the major draw here are the incredible views across to the city. When we reach Jeffrey Street Wharf, you'll see why this was our choice for today's walk. And as we trace the edge of the water around to Milson's Point and actually stand directly under the Harbour Bridge, I think you'll be absolutely blown away. To see the bridge from underneath is truly incredible. We'll just stroll along here, taking in the period architecture on our way to Jeffrey Street Wharf, but you'll see in Kirribilli, you are never too far away from harbour view glimpses. Here's where we start to trace the shoreline on our way to Luna Park. In a couple of minutes, you will be standing directly under the famous Harbour Bridge. Now, from around this spot, the views really are amazing, and they don't stop. This is an actual piece of the Royal Australian Navy ship, the Sydney, commemorating a naval battle in 1914 against the German raider, the SMS Emden. It states that after the battle, the captain of the Sydney requested a surrender on the basis of humanity from the German commander. It's an amazing feat of engineering. Nicknamed the Coathanger because of its arch-based design, the bridge carries rail, vehicular, bicycle and pedestrian traffic. Construction started in 1923 and the bridge opened in 1932. Fun facts. The bridge is held together by 6 million Australian-made hand-driven rivets. Paul Hogan of Crocodile Dundee fame is a notable identity from previous bridge painting crews and worked as a bridge rigger before he was discovered as a comedian in a talent show. One of the ongoing tourist attractions of the bridge is the southeast pylon, which is accessed via the pedestrian walkway across the bridge and then a climb to the top of the pylon of about 200 steps. Of course, if you've seen the New Year's Eve fireworks in Sydney, then you know that the bridge features heavily in that presentation. It's turned out to be a beautiful winter's day. Hard to believe it was completely overcast earlier.
You can see Luna Park up ahead in the distance now.
Have you enjoyed the video so far? Can you please help us out by liking and subscribing? It's free to do, but it will really make a difference for us to be able to reach more people. We are now on the Milsons Point side of the bridge. The Milsons Point Wharf is just coming up on our left. The newly renovated and newly opened North Sydney Olympic Pool is coming up on our right. The Ferry Wharf is where we'll be taking the ferry back to Circular Quay. The tall towers on the right of the bridge are located in Sydney's newest precinct called Barangaroo, after the wife of Bennelong. Bennelong Point is where the Sydney Opera House is now situated. Luna Park, Sydney. Its slogan is "Just for Fun" and has been providing that since it first opened in 1935. It's school holidays at the moment, so I think it's best to not venture in too far. Here's the return ferry. We did pick up some classic shots on the way back to Circular Quay. The afternoon sun on the Opera House is just magical. We waited 2 minutes for the ferry to Kirribilli and 10 minutes for this one. The fares on Sydney ferries are very reasonable, so this whole experience was very affordable. Remember to keep an eye out for the full walk video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos. If you're in Sydney for any reason and from anywhere, you must try this walk. There is a longer video version, so please subscribe and like our channel. That will make it easy to find all our videos, including new additions.